This 2020 Keystone Carbon 337 double slide, 10 feet rear garage is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, slide out, skylight, TV, external shower, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Carbon 337 double slide, 10 feet rear garage is 11,750 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.